Look who it is! It's Ruby! And oh my goodness, she is absolutely so excited today. We are going on a huge cooking adventure.
Unataka kupika nami? Do you want to cook with me? Come on, shout it out loud. Yes! She says, Asante, thank you, let's get cooking.
Mama's welcoming us all to the big kitchen. Jikoni.
Okay, we need our tools, fast. First, the prep table. That's our meza. Next, the hot oven, the tanori. Then we grab our mixing bowl, the bakuli. And finally, our trusty spoon, the kijiko. We are totally ready.
Now, what about the food? Ruby's got it all laid out. Flour, that's unga. Water, maji. Yeast, hamira. And red tomatoes, ninya. Wait a second, hold on. Oh no, she forgot something absolutely crucial.
She is panicking. Ruby's looking right at you. Tunahitaji nini? What do we need for a pizza? Come on, yell it out. Help her remember. What goes on top?
Yes, jibini! Jeez! Crisis completely resolved. Ruby found the jibini made from maziwa, the milk. Phew, what a relief. Now we can keep going. Making dough. Kusanga, Ruby and Mama are rolling up their sleeves. Let's get to work.
Step 1, kuchanganya. Mix. Splat. Oh no, the unga puffed right onto Ruby's nose. She is totally cross-eyed. Step 2, kusanga. Knead. Boing. This dough is so sticky she's flapping her hands everywhere. Mama's jumping in to help with step 3, kusukuma. Roll it out flat.
Now for toppings and a very sneaky kaka, we've got our red sauce and white cheese ready.
Ruby asks you, "Unasaidia? Are you helping?" While kupaka, spreading that sauce. "Unasaidia?" she asks again, while kunyunizia, sprinkling the cheese. And a third time, "Unasaidia?" Wait. Munch, munch. Kaka just sneaked some cheese. Munch, munch. He did it again? No way!
Mama, Kaka's eating the jibini. Look at him. And she just bursts out laughing. You really just can't stay mad at a face like that. Okay, Mama says it's time to kuaka, bake the pizza. Sizzle, sizzle. Into the hot tandoori it goes. Now for the absolute hardest part of cooking, kusubiri. We have to wait.
Sniff, sniff. Wow, Ruby smells the air. Inanukia vizuri. It smells so good. And then, ding! Mama says, "Iko tayari." It is ready.
Juicy amachunga. While our hot pizza cools down, Ruby is busy doing kuwasha, washing the oranges right under the tap.
Ruby takes a tiny little taste. Mama, machungwa ni machungu. The oranges are bitter. Look at that sour face. Mama just smiles. She says, we just need to add a little sukari, sugar.
Here we go. Slurp. That's step 1, kukamua, squeezing the juice. Glug, glug, glug. Step 2, kumimina, pouring it right into the jug. And clink, clink, adding the barafu, the ice, while doing step 3, kukoroga. Stir it all up.
Best part of the day, eating together. Sheba, the whole family is at the mesa munching away.
Look what she learned. With sauce all over her face, Ruby says, "Pizza ni moto natamu." The pizza is hot and sweet. And her drink? Juicy ni baridi na fresh. Cold and fresh. Nemeshiba! Asante, Mama. Ruby is completely full, which is Sheba. She thanks Mama, and Kaka is giving a huge thumbs up with a giant mouthful of pizza.
So, what did we actually do today? For pizza, we needed unga and jibini, and we practiced mixing and rolling. For juice, we needed machungwa and maji, and we practiced squeezing and pouring.
Ruby made pizza. She used unga from Gano, jibini from Maziwa, nanya from Shamba.
She made juicy. She used machungwa from Shamba, maji from Kasima.
She learned kitchen words. She learned cooking words. She learned eating words.
Now she can talk in the kitchen. Now she can cook. Stay with Ruby's adventures by subscribing to Swahili Learning Vibe.